Did you know that this tiny bottle of rosemary essential oil can do so much more than just add flavor to your cooking? Whether you're battling a lingering cough, need a mental boost, or even want healthier hair, rosemary oil is your go-to solution. Let's dive in and talk about some of the incredible ways you can use it. Rosemary essential oil is steam distilled from the fragrant leaves of the rosemary plant, and it's sourced from Bulgaria. Its uses are as versatile as its refreshing aroma, making it another oil you'll probably want to have in your natural health toolkit. Let's go through some of the top uses for rosemary essential oil. Number 1 is for respiratory health. If you're dealing with a chronic cough or that respiratory infection, rosemary oil is here to help. Dilute it and rub it over your chest, or diffuse it and it'll clear out your airways and ease that lingering cough. Number 2 is for mental and adrenal fatigue. Are you ever feeling drained or have that mental fog? Just add 1 or 2 drops of rosemary oil to your hands and then cup them around your nose and inhale deeply. You can also take it internally in a veggie capsule for a quick energy lift. Number 3, focus and memory support. If you've ever really struggled with concentration, or if you have a problem remembering things, rosemary is known for enhancing focus and memory. Diffuse it in your workspace or apply it directly to your forehead to sharpen your mind. Number 4 is dizziness or low blood pressure. Have you ever felt dizzy due to low blood pressure? Try massaging a couple of drops of rosemary into the soles of your feet for grounding support. Number 5, jet lag relief. It's really tough on our bodies, especially when we're traveling across time zones. You can apply rosemary to the temples after a flight, and it'll help combat jet lag and help you feel more refreshed. Number 6 is hair health. Now this is a big one because so many people deal with hair loss. Rosemary oil can help stimulate your scalp and encourage hair growth. Add a couple of drops to your shampoo each time you wash, or make your own DIY hair serum with fractionated coconut oil, tea tree oil, and rosemary oil. Use this mixture and then massage it gently into your scalp. And if your kids are dealing with lice or dandruff, rosemary and tea tree oils together are a powerful duo to tackle those issues naturally. Number 7 is emotional benefits. If you're feeling confused or you're stuck trying to make a tough decision, rosemary oil can help your mind shift from cluttered to clear. Diffuse it while studying or when you need to work through life's more challenging problems. Rosemary is refreshing, alleviating, and mentally clearing. Number 8 is cooking. If you forgot to grab your fresh rosemary for your recipe, no problem. Rosemary essential oil is an excellent substitute, but remember, a little bit goes a long way. Always start small and taste as you go. Rosemary essential oil is one of nature's most versatile gifts. From your health and emotions to your hair and even cooking, it's a little bottle of possibilities. Are you wanting to learn even more about amazing uses of essential oils? Check out the link in the description below for a free guide with 100 uses for essential oils. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using essential oils to support your health and home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.